What's happening?
We're gonna do a little chasing now. Let's do it.
Comfortable enough to hit the dirt?
Yeah, I'd say.
So it's not too bad, just one drop.
Yep.
Low line though, to get on the dirt. Low line now.
I went over it. That was sick.
Sick. Everything good?
Yep.
Alright, sick.
Hey, nailed it! Deadly.
That was fucking sick, bro.
That was fun.
How'd it feel? We were doing 80. We were doing 80 at one point.
It was definitely a little disorienting, but it wasn't bad. Yeah, people have told me that it feels weird, and I definitely see why.
Yeah?
Explain. I don't know, it's just like your body is just fucking moving where you don't expect it to be, and then the drone is moving separately, and it's just...
And we hit that drop off when you did over the power line.
Yeah,
that was fucked,
and I did a loop around it and then went back down.
It felt like you were falling.
It was pretty... Yeah. It was the weirdest I've ever felt flying a drone. Like usually I don't feel weird in my body.
Yeah.
But that was different. But it was cool.
Yeah, it's sick, bro.